This episode of Toy Time is brought to you by Alexandria Gallen. Miss Gallen is a kindergarten teacher in Craven County Schools. This video is designed for students who are just learning about addition and subtraction word problems. Students will learn a strategy for addition and subtraction word problems within the number 10.
Okay, today we are doing math word problems, and our target for today is that I can solve, so find a solution for addition and subtraction word problems using objects or drawings. And so our word problems, today we're going to think about them like a story. So our problems are going to visualize that there are a story. And our steps to our problem. Here's our 4 steps to solve our addition and subtraction word problem. First, you're going to read and visualize. Second, you're going to write an answer statement. Third, you're going to write a number sentence. And fourth and finally, you're going to solve. And when we follow these steps, we are going to be able to meet our learning target for today. Before we get started, go pause the video and get you a piece of paper, a marker or a pencil, and 10 objects. It could be rocks or cubes or candy, whatever you have laying around your house.
Pause the video and go find a pencil, a sheet of paper, and 10 small objects that you can use for this math video.
Okay, first we are going to solve 3 addition word problems. So let's go back to our learning target. I can solve addition word problems using objects or drawings. What we're going to do on here. Our first step to solve is read and visualize. So our first problem says, Michael has 5 pine cones. So I'm visualizing 5 pine cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He finds 4 more. That means he gets 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pine cones does he have now? So we model this with our cubes. We have 5 pine cones, and then he finds 4 more. That means he gets 4 more. I'm going to draw it out here. Here's my pine cones. He had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then he got 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, our second step, is to write an answer statement. So our thing we're looking for is how many pine cones does he have now? And I would say he has blank pine cones. Our third step is to write a number sentence. We're going to do 5 plus 4 equals, okay, how many pine cones does he have now? So solve it now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He had 9 pine cones altogether. So he had 9 pine cones. And I could look at my object also. I have 5, and I count 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's solve our next problem. We're going to go back up to our steps. Remember, our first step is to read and visualize. So Miss Gallen had 2 pieces of candy. Okay, here's my 2 pieces of candy. So for her student, gave her 3 more. So if you're getting something, that means you're getting more of it. So 1, 2, 3 more. 1, 2, 3 more. How many pieces of candy does she have now? So I read and I visualized. Now I'm going to second write an answer statement. So she has blank pieces of candy. Third step is to write a number sentence. So Miss Gallon, she started with 2. So I write 2 plus she got 3 more. So I'm adding 3 more equals. Okay, so when I put all the pieces of candy together, I got 2, and then count on from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 5 all together. So I wrote my numbers in and solved. So I would fill in my answer statement. She had 5 pieces of candy. Okay, last addition problem, and then we're going to move on to subtraction. Remember, our learning target is that I can solve addition word problems using objects or drawings. Okay, I have 6 rocks. My brother gave me 2 more. How many rocks do I have now? Okay, so my brother, so remember we're back at the top now. Read and visualize. So I have 6 rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, I have some rocks here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I started with 6 rocks. And then my brother gave me 2 more. That means I'm getting 2 more rocks. 1, 2. Okay, now I'm going to write an answer statement. Okay. My answer statement is and then third, I'm going to write a number sentence. So I started with 6 rocks. 6 plus my brother gave me 2 more equals, so I'm going to count on from 6, 6, 7, 8. So now I have 8 rocks. So last thing, we solved our problem. And I would read my answer statement. I have 8 rocks. Now we're going to move on to our subtraction word problem.
Now, students, it's your turn to do an addition word problem. We're going to go through all 4 steps. I need you to solve this word problem on your paper while we do it together on the video. Step 1. We need to read and visualize the word problem. I want you to read this word problem out loud with me while I read it on the video. Ready? Let's read. Sal has 4 pieces of bubble gum. Ty gives him 3 more pieces. How many pieces of bubble gum does Sal have now? After reading the word problem, we now need to visualize it. I need you to use your small objects to visualize this word problem? Great job using your small objects to visualize the word problem. Now, we need to write an answer statement. Let's write this answer statement together. Remember, you don't solve yet. Let's put a blank for where the answer will be. Sal has blank pieces of bubble gum now. I'll give you guys a few seconds to write this down on your paper, just like I did it on the video. It's time for step 3. Let's write a number sentence now. Remember, we still are not solving yet. Put a blank for where the answer will be. Our number sentence uses the numbers from the word problem to help us know what to solve for. Our number sentence will be 4 plus 3 equals blank. I'll give you guys a couple seconds now to write this number sentence on your paper, just like I did on the video. Now comes the final step. We get to solve our word problem. Use your objects to count up the answer. Remember, Sal starts with 4 pieces of bubble gum. Then he gets 3 more. So count up how many pieces of bubble gum Sal has now. You start with 4 and then you add 5, 6, 7. Sal has 7 pieces of bubble gum. Make sure that you counted 7. Great job on this word problem. You went through all 4 steps. Now keep listening to the video to learn how to do subtraction word problems.
Now we are moving on to our subtraction word problem using object or drawing. And remember, we're going to follow our 4 steps that help us solve the problem. Remember, our first step is to read and visualize. So here's our first problem. I have 10 rocks. 10 rocks. So here's all my 10 rocks. I give my brother 5. So I started with 10 rocks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I give my brother 5. How many rocks do I have left? If I'm giving them away, that means I have less in the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The X's show how many I'm giving away. I'm giving these away to my brother. So we read and visualized. Next, we're going to write an answer statement. So I have blank rocks left. Period. Then we're going to write a number sentence. So I started with 10 rocks. And I gave some to my brother. That means I'm subtracting them. They're being taken away from me. Minus 5 equals, how many do I have left? I have 5 left here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left here. So my answer is 5. I have 5 rocks left. Okay, our next problem. The squirrel had 5 acorns. How many acorns did the squirrel start with? 5. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 acorns blew away. So 3 of them went away. How many acorns does the squirrel have left? So we read and visualized. Now we're going to write our answer statement, and we're going to make sure 3 acorns blew away. We're going to show that. And our answer statement would be the squirrel has blank acorns left. Period. Okay, next third, I'm going to write my numbers in it. So I had 5 acorns, and then 3 of them blew away. So 3 of them went away. We're going to subtract them equals, how many acorns do we have left? We see that we have 2 acorns left. So the squirrel has 2 acorns left. So we stop with here's our third and final subtraction word problem then. And remember, we're using objects or drawings to help us solve the equation. Next equation, the student has 7 pieces of candy. So 5, 6, 7. He ate 4 pieces, so he had 7, 1, 8, 4 pieces. That means they went away. Okay, he had 7, and he ate 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pieces of candy does he have left? Second, write an answer statement. He has blank pieces of candy left. Then a period at the end. Okay, and then I'm gonna write my numbers in it. So he had 7, and then 4 were eaten. Equals how many he had left. So 7 and 4 he ate. And how many did he have left? He had 3 left. He has 3 pieces of candy left. So now we wrote our numbers in it and we stopped. So today we did addition and subtraction word problems, and our learning target was that I can solve addition and subtraction word problems using objects or drawings.
Are you ready to try a subtraction problem on your own? Remember to do the 4 steps that this video taught you for how to solve a word problem. First, you will read and visualize the word problem. When you visualize, use your objects at home. 2, you'll write an answer statement using words. 3, you'll write a number sentence using numbers. 4, you'll get to solve the word problem to find your answer. I'll go ahead and read you the word problem before you begin. Micah has 8 blocks. She gives 2 blocks to her sister. How many blocks does Micah have left? Have fun and happy solving.
We learned that I can solve addition and subtraction word problems using objects or drawings. There are 4 steps to solve the addition and subtraction word problem. Was first, read and visualize. Second, write an answer statement. Third, write a number sentence. And fourth and finally, solve your problem. Now, with a parent or a family member, you can have them write practice problems that are addition and subtraction word problems so you can practice these 4 steps. Hope you have a great day. Bye.